This is Candace here. I want to thank you if you're new, and I want to thank you if you're returning. I need you to stop, hit that like button, smash that like button, so your girl can be recognized in these YouTube streets. I want you to leave me a comment. Thank you. Okay, so I have three packages here. This package is from a company called Wacom Socks. These, oh, these are what I bought my brother. These are what I bought my brother for Father's Day. Aren't these so cute? These are pictures of his daughters. And it says girl dad because he only has girls. He has 3 girls. So I took their photo and I uploaded it to the site, and this is what they came up with. This is so cute. This is so cute. This is the pamphlet that they sent me. Yeah. My brother's gonna love that. So I have to get his address. And I'm going to tell him, open it on Father's Day. What is it, June 9th? I'm mailing you something. I'm mailing it on Tuesday because Monday's a holiday. And I'm going to tell him, open it on Father's Day. And that's cute. That's a nice gift. This one is from Amazon. When y'all see the sign, y'all know the vibe. I ordered these. I ordered these combs because I know, Dollar Tree has combs and stuff like that. But Dollar Tree has combs, but they be breaking. They're not like, I need to do my girl's hair. These are, anyway, y'all can see it from here. And then they have the metal tip. Cause look, I can't open it. Yeah. I needed a metal tip comb for like the parting and things like that. Then I'm going to get my nails done. Probably after I get my car, cause I get my car. After I get my car, I'll probably go drive it to the nail shop. And this is from Kenkyi Culture's handmade skincare. This is from my fellow sister, my fellow YouTube sister. Well, I gotta get the knife. She always be packaging her stuff. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so divine. This is a box of all my stuff. Oh. It says, handmade with love. Do y'all see that? This is so cute. Look at this. Packaging is everything. This is so cute. Let me take that down so y'all can see. This is another sticker. Handmade with love. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. So here's my order list from everything I ordered. Thank you for your continued support. Oh. Okay, so let's go get down with it. Let's get down to it. Okay, I got a moisturizer lotion. So y'all see the way everything came packaged really nicely. This is the lavender face and body lotion. This is the oatmeal and chamomile bar. Can't wait to take a bath with this. This is the African black soap. I think I got 2 of those. Yeah, I got 2 of these. This is the orange and ground ginger. It smells so good. Then it tells you the ingredients on the back and what ginger is used for, what it's used for. Then I have Japanese cherry blossom soap. Ah, this smells so good. But I liked it because of the detail in it. You see it? And she sent me some samples. Thank you, girl. Let's see what they are. She sent Japanese cherry blossom. She sent me a little piece of it. She sent me bitter almond soap. She sent turmeric facial soap. This is the one that I still have, that I ordered before, that I use it. It's not going nowhere. You know, y'all know that me. My hair, it don't move. My hair, it don't move. From Gorilla Glue, girl, they made a meme and they say my hair don't move. Her soap, it don't move. Her soap, it don't move. This is a turmeric facial soap. I use this. And personal hygiene soap. It's herbal. This stuff smells so good. And sophisticated gentleman soap. I'm so happy with all of my things. Thanks for watching. Bye.